the ecosystem station because you're going to be immersed in an ecosystem.
Captain, come here.
Captain is coming there.
It used to be a railroad. So they built up this dam here.
Cabbage.
And it pretty much...
That's a leather looking leather thing.
No, it's not. It's a...
Looks like it's leather though. It kind of looks like a northern what?
black rat.
Yeah, it's a black rat.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Are you running smarter us? Will you give us the line?
We found a little caterpillar, then we found an insect right there, and then we found this animal that we're not sure what it is.
Put a little water in the petri dish. Take one critter at a time, one small critter at a time. Identify them with your binoculars. Now you know how to use binoculars as microscopes, correct? You have to be within a half inch or so of the critter so that you can really identify that critter.
Oh, wow. What is that? Dude, I think it's
Casey, there's something moving.
That was
I loved it.
Yeah, so bad.
I really should. It's a good way of learning nature and all that, and it really helps discover new stuff.
They definitely got that hands-on experience for being out in the woods and the science standards for the state of Ohio, and this was a great program. It worked very well, engaged the kids, and we were all very happy with it. We had a great time. Thank you.